आदरणीय प्रज्ञा सिंह जी।
With the due permission of Honorable Chair, I rise to speak in support of Women Empowerment and Equal Representation Bill 2026. I'll start. नारी शक्ति केवल शब्द नहीं, निर्माण का प्रमाण बने। निर्णय में समान भागीदारी ही राष्ट्र की नई पहचान बने। I rise from the land of Sarojini Naidu, Vijayalakshmi Pandit, and Honorable President Draupadi Murmu. Honorable Speaker, today's motion unites three aspirations: women empowerment, equal representation, and a journey towards Viksit Bharat 2047. I ask this august House, if a son and a daughter studies together, work with the same dedication, earn the same degree, then why not the equal opportunity, equal pay, respect, and representation? We proudly say, Mata Pita, worship Durga, Saraswati, Lakshmi, yet somewhere between our streets, the respect turns into restriction. Our daughter is still told, come home before sunset, share her live location. We have applauded the Batman on screen, yet the menstrual dignity and a workplace safety remains a very appraisal for many women. Honorable Speaker, capability has never been the problem. Opportunity has. From panchayats to parliament, from Rani Lakshmi Bai to Arunima Sinha to Avni Chaturvedi, every era, the Indian women have delivered. History wrote, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, but today I say, वो वीरता की नई निशानी थी, वो शौर्य की नई गाथा थी। अरे रानी मर्दानी क्यों, स्वयं ही जनानी थी। Honorable members of opposition, nearly 8 decades after independence, the Constitution promises equality. Yet, the women in the House remain 14% at the seat, and even there is a lower in the state. The Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam is a milestone that says that women ensures that they does not remain the participants but the mere protectors of our shaping democracy. Nari, as this important question, a very important question that I would like to raise, and it arises, if women educate our children, studies or strengthen our economy, protect our borders, then how they can legislate with us too? And I would say, for all the problems, there is one solution, that is this bill. This bill ensures that women have 1/3 reservation and even including the SC, women in this, and ensures that democracy is truly inclusive. Even the women representation bill says the reservation is not the substitute for merit. It is a bridge to an opportunity and ensures women not just navigate the system, they become the system, transform the system and reform the system.
माननीय सदस्य, आप प्लीज कंक्लूड करें।
Lastly, I would like to say, when we move towards the Viksit Bharat 2047, I would like to urge the entire members in the House with pride and dignity that echoes with the unison. Nari Shakti, Nari Sankalp, Nari से नेतृत्व, नारी नीति, नारी नेतृत्व से ही राष्ट्रीय उत्थान। ये विकसित भारत अमृत काल में विश्व गुरु बने हम सबकी पहचान। थैंक यू ऑनरेबल चेयर।
और इंतजार की समाप्त होती है घड़ियां, और जिनके सिर चढ़ा है राष्ट्रीय युवा संसद के 3य संस्करण का ताज। आप में से अगर कोई आपका अनुमान है तो बताएं, वरना मैं सीधे घोषणा कर रहा हूं। आप सभी के अनुमानों पर पानी फिरता हुआ फर्स्ट अवार्ड गोज टू प्रज्ञा सिंह ठाकुर। प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज।